Hi guys, so we are at Rowston North crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. Ooh. Oh god, what's it going to do today? That's made a weird sound. That made quite a weird sound, Andrew, that did.
That gate didn't sound good.
I know it did. There we go, the time is 17:30 on Saturday the 18th of April 2015. This is for our 17:26 2km60 Midlands train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central, and our 17:38 2km49 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Sleaford.
At the exact same split second, Joe. 15 and 16 turn green.
That's good.
The exact split second.
Actually, the signal I took this morning for you is 17.
The time now is both turn green.
Huh. The time now is double green signal.
Eco-friendly. Can you see the green down the scops then?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, you've got the whole line. I'll just take a screenshot of it. All green in a row.
Quickly before one goes red.
I don't know.
You got it?
Hey,
You got it before they go red?
right, 13's just gone red.
Right. Where are they?
2K49 just passed the Scott Wick stop. We got red on 18.
Here she is.
Which one?
Both.
Oh god.
Have we got double threes or we got 6 and a 3?
I don't know, do I?
I reckon we'll have a 3 and a 6. Oh, I reckon this one's going to pass us first. Yeah, I think 2km60. Oh god, pitch is flying away again. Can they make it? One 153,308 to Lincoln, and here comes our other one.
49!
One 153,381! 153,381 to Sleaford, and up they go.
Go they up.
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.